Welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. The next Samsung flagship series model, the Galaxy S23, is expected to arrive on February 8, 2023 with a whole set of new features, including a brand new design, upgraded processors, new camera systems, and probably some fresh new colors. A number of recent rumors have started to shape our expectation about the Galaxy S23 design, display, processing power, and other specs like the main camera resolution. The Galaxy S23 phone will be released on February 24, 2023. If Samsung's previous launches are any indication, Samsung put the S21 and S22 release schedule forward so that they launch shortly before the Mobile World Congress, which starts on a Monday in late February. The MWC Expo is scheduled for February 27, 2023, Thursday and March 2, 2023. So the Galaxy S23 series should launch the Friday before it on February 24, 2023. If Samsung keeps the Galaxy S23 announcement schedule intact, the Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra event and pre-order start would fall on February 8, 2023, or are indicating the first week of February as the time of the announcement, and Wednesday then falls on February 1, which would pull the S23 release date to February 17 even. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to sport the same $1,199 starting price as its predecessor unless the supply chain changes persist into its mass production schedule, or Samsung decided that a new four-curve design and a 200-megapixel camera sensor variant a higher S23 price. For the S22 Ultra, it truck the S Pen in and keep the battery size huge, but still charges the same. So we keep our hopes high about a $799 Galaxy S23 price, $999 tags for the Galaxy S23 Plus, and a sweet $1,199 Galaxy S23 Ultra price sport. In other words, here are the Galaxy S23 specs we can expect from Samsung when winter hits the northern hemisphere. Unfortunately, that may also mean that the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus will get the hybrid LTPS display that Samsung managed to introduce variable refresh rate too, but which can only go down to 48Hz, while the LTPO panel on the Ultra model can cover the whole 1Hz, 120Hz range and save on battery while displaying static images. Given that the battery pack size will most likely stay, then the only battery life boost possibility will have to come from the rumored efficiency-focused Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor of Qualcomm. Given that the battery pack size will most likely stay, then the only battery life boost possibility will have to come from the rumored efficiency-focused Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor of Qualcomm. That would be a significant gain though, as it will be built on the second generation optimized for NM process and reportedly have an ingenious mix of older and newer ARM Cortex-Core generation that should make it very gentle on the battery with everyday tasks. Unlike the 3 GHz Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 monster that hits up and throws quite a bit under heavy load like 3D gaming. Given that Samsung will only use Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 across the region where it will sell the Galaxy S23 and no Exynos has been planned to go in, it could have the best performance power draw ratio of any Galaxy S series so far. Keeping the rest of the hardware the same should hopefully mean that the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus will be able to launch at lower prices. True, as a grant for an LTPS display and just a processor upgrade may put many people off from the S23 Plus in favor of the S23 Ultra. The biggest hardware upgrade that will arrive with the Galaxy S23 series is again expected to be a new 200-megapixel main camera sensor after the rumor was previously shot down. A recent unveiling of the ISOCELL HP3 200-megapixel camera sensor by Samsung could have powered more water in their respective rumor mirror, but in actuality, Samsung may use a custom ISOCELL sensor with 0.60 macrons pixels. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.